Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss some important preparation methods of aldehydes and ketones. In board level, preparation of aldehydes and ketone in carbonyl compound, very important. See, aldehydes and ketone, both of them simultaneously prepare with the same kind of the chemical reagents. Okay, ma? So this is the most important part. First, preparation method of aldehyde and ketone from alcohol. See here, aldehydes and ketones are easily to prepare with the help of the alcohol. The first one is the by oxidation method. See here the general representation of equation. This is alcohol, oxidation process, aldehyde, additionally water molecule is released. But my dear students, important point, in this preparation method from the alcohol, from the help of alcohol, different type of reagents are used. See here, Sarrate reagent, PCC reagents and Jones reagent. There are different type of the reagents are involved in this oxidation process whenever you will prepare the aldehyde ketone with the help of the alcohol. Okay, ma? See here, in the by oxidation process, aldehyde can be prepared by the regulated oxidations of primary alcohol, and oxidation may be carried out by acidified solution of potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate or manganese dioxide or chromic anhydride. These are also using as a acidified solution in the oxidation process. So once again, Sinana, aldehyde can be prepared by the regulated oxidations of the primary alcohol. Oxidation may be carried out by acidified solution of potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate or manganese dioxide or chromic anhydrides. So write down in your notebook. I am not mentioned in this acidified solution here. See here, this is the general representation equation. Primary alcohol involved in the oxidation process, aldehyde group, additionally byproduct of water is eliminated or byproduct of water is the released. So see first equation, CH3CH2OH. This name is ethyl alcohol. By oxidation process in the presence of K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate and diluted sulfuric acid. Now what happened here? CH3CHO, acetaldehyde is formed. Additionally, water molecule also released. It's the most important in the presence of acidified solutions are very important. What kind of acidified solutions are used in the oxidation process of whenever you prepare aldehyde and ketone with the help of the alcohol? Potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate or manganese dioxide or chromic anhydride. Chromic anhydride means CrO3. So here ethyl alcohol oxidized with the help of the K2Cr2O7 easily to prepare the aldehyde. See one more example here, CH3CH2CH2OH. This compound name is butane 1-ol. Why called butane 1-ol? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbon atoms are 4. That's why butane 1-ol, 1 degree alcohol, butane 1-ol. In the presence of K2Cr2O7, oxidation process are involved. Finally, butane 1-ol. So here aldehyde group is formed. CH3, your whole. Here all CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO is formed. Okay, ma? So here I just only mentioned 2 example. Another acidified solutions also there. Chromic anhydride and manganese dioxide also. So this is the first important point from preparation of the aldehyde and ketone with the help of the alcohol by the oxidation process. Already I told. In this process, especially whenever you prepare aldehyde and ketone with the help of the alcohol, some important reagents also used. Some important reagent instead of this acidified solution, some important reagents also used. For example, see here, Sarate reagent. First one is by using of Sarate reagent, or another name is a Sarate Collins reagent, is a scientist name, Sarate reagent or Sarate Collins reagent. It means what is the combination of the Sarate reagents? Chromium trioxide pyridine complex dissolved in solvent methylene dichloride. Very very important, ma. See what is the Sarate reagent? What is the Sarate reagent? Chromium trioxide. See here, CrO3. Chromium trioxide pyridine complex dissolved in solvent methylene dichloride. Methylene dichloride. These combinations are commonly known as the Sarate reagents. Sometimes, my dear student, from the alcohol, this kind of the reagents are used in the preparations of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, ma? Here, important point is what is the full chemical formula of the Sarate reagent. What is the Sarate reagent? Chromium trioxide pyridine complex dissolved in solvent methylene dichloride is commonly known as the Sarate reagents. Sarate reagent. This is the, see here, alcohol. This is the primary alcohol. See carefully. Primary alcohol, by using of Sarate reagent, easily to prepare the aldehyde. Easily to prepare the aldehyde. This is a Sarate reagent. And one more reagents also used. What is that another reagent? By using of PCC. Very very important, nana. PCC. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Full name of the PCC. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Instead of Sarate reagent, sometime by using of alcohol, this PCC reagents also used to prepare of the aldehyde and ketone. Actually, if the anyone inside of the laboratory PCC reagents are used, this reagent name, another name is a Corey reagent, COREY, Corey reagent. Corey reagents is nothing but PCC. PCC full form pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. See here, my dear students, important point. This Corey reagent is a complex mixture of 1:1 ratio of CrO3, chromium trioxide, and pyridine and HCl. Very very important, ma. This Corey reagent combination, PCC combination, is a mixture of 1:1 ratio of CrO3, write down in your notebook, CrO3 and pyridine and HCl. So this is the combination. And instead of PCC, one more reagents also used, that is name is a PDC, pyridinium dichromate. PCC and PDC. PDC means pyridinium dichromate. These are the important reagents whenever you will prepare aldehyde and ketone with the help of the 1 degree alcohol. This PCC and PDC reagents are used. So my dear students, listen very carefully. All these reagents have been used to oxidize 1 degree alcohol to aldehyde and 2 degree alcohol to ketone under mild condition. Underline this point and listen very carefully. If by using of these reagents, especially 1 degree alcohol is always to give aldehyde, but 2 degree alcohol is always to give the ketone under mild condition. They mainly checks the further oxidation of aldehyde to carboxylic acid. This reagent also do not attack double or triple bond. Very very important point. In the reaction mechanism point of view, in alcohol, if maybe alcohol contains any one of the double bond or triple bond combination in the aliphatic group, but PCC or DC is not attack on the double bonds. So very very important point, ma. Now see here one example. This is a PCC structure. You know that very well. What is a PCC structure? The mixture of 1:1:1 combination of CrO3, pyridine and HCl. Actually the PCC full form is pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium, this is a pyridinium structure, chlorochromate. Sometimes my dear students, 1 mark point of view, draw the structure of PCC. This is the structure of the PCC. Now see here, cyclohex 2-in-1-all. Cyclohex 2-in-1-all. So this is a cyclic alcohol, cyclohex 2-in-1-all. Why it's called cyclohex 2-in-1-all? The numbering starting from the functional group side. So this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon. It means second carbon to third carbon, one double bonds are there. So that's why here 2-in. But alcohol group where is located? In the first carbon. So 1-all. So complete structure is the cyclohex. Cyclohex 2-in-1-all involved in the oxidation process with the help of the PCC reagent. And what happened here? Cyclohex 2-in-1-on ketone group is formed. Cyclohex 2-in-1-on because this is a ketone combination. Instead of alcohol group, ketone group is present here. Instead of alcohol group, ketone group is present here. So this is a cyclohex 2-in-1-on. My question right now here, cyclohex 2-in-1-all in the presence of the PCC reagent, what is the final product? Cyclohex 2-in-1-all. So my dear student, in the preparation of aldehyde ketone from alcohol, some more important reagents are very very important. The first reagent is a Sarrate reagent. The second reagent is a PCC reagent and PDC reagents. These are very helpful to prepare the aldehyde and ketone with combination of either 1 degree alcohol or 2 degree alcohol. In case of 1 degree alcohol involved in the oxidation process, always to form aldehyde, but 2 degree alcohol involved in the oxidation process, mostly ketone groups are formed. Ketone groups are formed. See here, one more example present here. CH3, CH2, CH3, C2H5, CH2OH. What is this compound name, my dear students? 2-ethyl, because this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon. So second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. This is the word root is a butane. So 2-ethyl, 2-methyl, because second carbon contain two different type of substituents, alkyl group. One is a methyl group, another one is the ethyl group. According to the UPSC rules and regulation, if two different type of alkyl substituents are attached to any carbon, you should follow the alphabetical order. So here C2H5 ethyl group, CH3 methyl group. So ethyl group is the first alphabet. So 2-ethyl, 2-methyl, butane 1-all. 2-ethyl, 2-methyl, butane 1-all involved in the oxidation process with help of the PCC reagent. So final product is a 2-ethyl, 2-methyl, butanol is formed. 2-ethyl, 2-methyl, butanol is formed. These are the preparation methods of aldehyde and ketone by oxidation process with the help of the some important reagent such as Sarrate reagent, PCC reagent and PDC reagents. Now one more reagent, this is called zone reagent. Very very important, nana. Zone reagent means the solution of CrO3, chromium trioxide, the solution of CrO3 in sulfuric acid and aqueous acetone. This is the most important, nana. Zone reagent mean a solution of chromium trioxide in sulfuric acid and aqueous acetone. This is commonly known as the Jones reagent. My dear student, Jones reagent generally it's used in the allyl alcohol. If the allyl alcohol easily to converted into aldehyde, in this preparation method Jones reagents are used. So what is the allyl alcohol? You know that very well. Allylic alcohol or allyl alcohol. See here, what is the allyl alcohol? Alcohol group, OH group, see carefully, OH group directly attaches to the first carbon. This carbon showing sp3 hybridization. This carbon showing the sp3 hybridization, but this carbon again attaches to the sp2 hybridized carbon. This combination is commonly known as the allylic alcohol or allyl alcohol. What is the allylic alcohol or allyl alcohol? If alcohol group directly attaches to the sp3 hybridized carbon, that carbon again attaches to the sp2 hybridized carbon. This combination is commonly known as the allyl alcohol. If preparation of aldehyde and ketone, allyl alcohol are used, definitely utilizes of the Jones reagent. So Jones reagents generally used in the preparation of aldehyde and ketone with the help of the allyl alcohol, with the help of the allyl alcohol. Okay ma? See here, important one, CH2 double bond CH2OH. This is allyl alcohol. What is the reason allyl alcohol? 1, 2, 3. Prop 2 in 1 all. Prop 2 in 1 all. Generally IUPAC name, but common combination name is the allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. This allyl alcohol in the presence of the Jones reagent. You know that very well. What is a Jones reagent? A solution of chromium trioxide in sulfuric acid and aqueous acetone. So this is the Jones reagent. This combination is a Jones reagent. In the presence of the Jones reagent, allyl alcohol involved in the oxidation process, acrolein is formed. Acrolein. This compound name is the acrolein. CH2 double bond CHO. This is the acrolein. Very very important example ma. Acrolein is the form. So this is the most important reagent, Jones reagents. In case of my dear students, by using of Jones reagent, either 1 degree alcohol or 2 degree alcohol corresponding to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone at room temperature. This is also another important. So here what kind of the reagents are used ma? See again, Sarrate reagent, PCC reagent, PDC reagent and Jones reagent, and one more reagent, that is by using of active manganese dioxide. By using of active manganese dioxide, not only this reagent, manganese dioxide also, manganese dioxide. So my dear students, this active manganese dioxide prepared by reducing of KMnO4 with MnSO4 in the alkaline medium. Actually this prepared by manganese dioxide is prepared by the reducing of KMnO4 with MnSO4 in the alkaline medium. It's oxidized allylic to benzoic alcohol in inert solvent such as CH2Cl2 or CCl4. So here also my dear student, by using of the active MnO2, by using of active MnO2, how will prepare MnO2? By reducing process of the KMnO4 with MnSO4. So now see here, allylic alcohol. You know that very well. What is the allylic alcohol? Alcohol group directly attaches to the sp3 hybridized carbon. That sp3 hybridized carbon again attaches to sp2 hybridized carbon. So same combination, allyl alcohol or allylic alcohol. This one is involved in the presence of manganese dioxide of oxidation process. Prop 2 in 1 all, aldehyde group is formed. Unsaturated aldehyde group, very very important, keep it in your mind nana. If active MnO2 are used as a reagent, unsaturated alcohol, either 1 degree alcohol or 2 degree alcohol, converted into either alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or alpha beta unsaturated ketones are formed. See here, this is the unsaturated aldehyde because of one double bonds are there. Even here also see alcohol is also unsaturation. So my dear student, if the unsaturation alcohol, it's involved in the oxidation process, definitely by using of active MnO2 reagent. Okay ma'am? And one more, catalytic dehydrogenation. Catalytic dehydrogenation, these are also oxidation process, easily to prepare the aldehyde ketone with the help of the alcohol. Catalytic dehydrogenation process. Here, what kind of the catalyst are used? Very precious metals. You know that very precious metals? Gold, silver, copper. Especially alcohol, whenever involved in the dehydrogenation process, silver and copper catalyst are used. Silver and copper catalyst are used. See here, this is the primary alcohol RCH2OH. In the presence of copper, 573 kelvins. Now aldehyde, additionally byproduct is the hydrogen is released. And C, CH3CH2OH. This compound name is ethyl alcohol in the presence of same optimum condition. Now what is the product? Aldehyde is formed here. Aldehyde, acetaldehyde is formed. Ethyl alcohol easily to converted into acetaldehyde. Additionally, hydrogen gas also released. And this one, secondary alcohol, 2-degree alcohol. The secondary alcohol involved in the catalytic dehydrogenation with the help of the copper, ketone is formed. This is the ketone, RCOR dash, ketone, additionally H2. So this is a general representation equation. This is the example. CH3CHOH. What is this compound name, my dear students? Isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol in the presence of copper catalyst, the optimum condition of temperature 573 kelvins, acetone is formed, CH3COCH3, acetone, and additionally water molecule is released. This is the water molecule is the released. Okay ma? These are all are the very important aldehyde ketone preparation method with the help of alcohol, from alcohol by oxidation process. By oxidation process of alcohol, easily to prepare the aldehyde and ketone with important of some reagent, with the help of the some reagents. What are the reagents are used in the oxidation process of alcohol whenever you will prepare aldehyde and ketone? Surrogate reagent, PCC reagent, PDC reagent, Jones reagent, active MnO2 and catalytic dehydrogenation process. These are the first preparations method of aldehyde ketone from the alcohol. Now, second preparation method. Aldehyde ketone not only prepared from the alcohol, even carboxylic acids also, very important, my dear student. Even carboxylic acid also easily to prepare the aldehyde and ketone. So see here in the second preparation method from carboxylic acid, by dry distillation of calcium salt of the fatty acid. Important nana? By dry distillation of calcium salt of fatty acid. It means calcium salt of the fatty acid involved with carboxylic acid, hence aldehyde is formed. See now, when calcium formate is a salt, calcium formate is heated alone, formaldehyde is obtained. Important ma? Calcium formate is heated only alone. What kind of the aldehyde is formed? Formaldehyde aldehyde is a form. This is a basic aldehyde. See here, calcium formate, CHCOO, HCOO. This is the calcium formate alone, only heating. Calcium formate only heating alone. Hence what happened? From this combination, CaO and COO is eliminated, minus CaCO3. Calcium carbonate is eliminated. After remaining elements are held together, form formaldehyde. This is a mechanism. So my dear student, not only alcohol, even carboxylic acid is also easily to prepare the aldehyde ketone with help of the calcium salt of the fatty calcium salt of the fatty acids. Okay ma? Now see here, other aldehyde can be prepared by the dry distillation of equimolar mixture of calcium salt of carboxylic acid with calcium formate. Already I said here very clearly, calcium formate directly involved on heating alone, formaldehyde is formed. But one more method is, one more preparation method is, other aldehyde can be prepared. Other aldehyde means other than formaldehyde. Actually formaldehyde easily to prepare by heating of calcium formate alone. So calcium formate, whenever you heat alone, formaldehyde form. But other aldehyde means other than formaldehyde. So other aldehyde can be prepared by the distillation of equimolar mixture of calcium salt of carboxylic acid. See nana, except formaldehyde, remaining other aldehyde easily to prepare the combination of the calcium salt of carboxylic acid. But in this first case, calcium formate only heated alone, formaldehyde is formed. But another second step, second preparation method, calcium salts of carboxylic acid with calcium formate. Calcium salt of carboxylic acid with calcium formate easily to prepare the aldehyde. See here, RCOO CA plus CaO C double bond OH and CaO C double bond OH. This is a calcium salt of carboxylic acid. Calcium salt of carboxylic acid. This is a calcium formate. This is a calcium formate. So it means calcium formate involved in the reaction of calcium salt of the carboxylic acid on heating. So aldehyde, additionally calcium carbonate salt is separated. So this is the reaction mechanism. And second one seen here, calcium acetate. This is another example. Calcium acetate reacted with calcium formate, calcium acetate. This is a general representation equation. This is an example. Calcium acetate reacted with calcium formate under high temperature. Acetaldehyde is formed. Additionally, calcium carbonate is also released. Acetaldehyde and additionally calcium carbonate is also released. And third one, sinana, calcium acetate. Directly calcium acetate, important point, nana. Directly calcium acetate heated alone, calcium acetate heated alone, acetone is formed. Very very important point, nana. Acetone is the formed. Which one? Only calcium acetate. Calcium acetate heated alone, acetone is formed. Additionally, one byproduct of the salt, calcium carbonate is also formed. And fourth one, see, cyclic ketone. Important, my dear students. Cyclic ketones are formed when calcium salt of dicarboxylic acid are heated. Cyclic ketone. In above example, you already observe very carefully aliphatic ketone. But now cyclic ketones also easily to prepare with the help of the calcium salt of dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid, my dear student. See here, this is the calcium adipate. This compound name is the calcium adipate. The calcium adipate under high temperature on heating, then cyclopentanone is formed. Cyclopentanone is formed. These are the preparation method of aldehyde and ketone with the help of the carboxylic acid by dry distillation of calcium salt of fatty acid. And one more point, my dear students, benzaldehyde can also be prepared by the dry distillation of mixture of calcium benzoate and calcium formate. Okay ma, this is also write down in your notebook. So benzaldehyde can also be prepared by the dry distillation of mixture of calcium benzoate and calcium formate. These are the two major important preparations methods of aldehyde and ketone. In my next class, I will be continue the remaining preparations method of the ketones and aldehyde. Okay ma?